Hi Sam. I'm excited to see you today. Are you ready to learn a new word?
Hi Alex. Absolutely. What's the word for today?
Today we're learning,
leise,
which means quiet or soft.
That sounds interesting. Is that the most common meaning?
Yes, it is. However,
leise,
can also mean muted or gentle. Just be careful because it's not a false friend, but some learners confuse it with the English word lazy.
Got it. How do you use
leise,
in a sentence?
Good question. As an adjective, you can say,
die Musik ist leise,
meaning the music is quiet. It's important to remember that
leise,
has no plural form since it's an adjective. When you want to use it with a noun, you might say,
die leise Musik,
for the quiet music.
What about the verb forms?
Well,
leise,
is not a verb, so it doesn't have forms like that. But if we think about using it with verbs, you could say,
ich spreche leise,
which means I speak quietly.
So how would you say I spoke quietly in the past?
You would say,
ich sprach leise,
in the perfect, it would be,
ich habe leise gesprochen,
Interesting.
the word
leise,
comes from Old High German, and its roots can be traced back to the word,
leiser,
which means soft. Over time, it evolved into the modern form we use today.
That's fascinating. I love learning about the history.
Yes, and it shows how language evolves. Now, let's break down the word.
leise,
Isn't a compound, so we can't split it into parts like we might with other words. But you could think of it as a piece of a puzzle that adds a gentle quality to whatever it describes.
Oh, I see. So it's straightforward.
Exactly. Now, let's look at some similar words. For instance, words with the same pattern include,
leiser,
which means quieter, and,
leise Stimme,
meaning quiet voice.
Can you give me a few more examples?
Sure. Here are some.
leise,
Quiet,
leiser,
quieter,
am leise,
more quietly, and
leise Töne,
soft sounds.
Okay, I think I understand the pattern. How can I practice using
leise,
Great. Let's consider 3 situations. For example, at a library, you might say,
Sei leise.
meaning be quiet.
That's easy.
Sei leise.
Perfect. Another situation could be when you're watching a movie. You could say,
Die Musik ist leise.
meaning the music is quiet.
Die Musik ist leise.
Fantastic. Finally, if you're at a meeting, you might say,
Bitte sprechen Sie leise.
which means please speak quietly.
Bitte sprechen Sie leise.
Nicely done, Sam. Now, let's talk about gender.
Leise.
A noun.
Not directly, but if we turn it into a noun, like,
Die leise.
for the quietness, it takes the feminine article.
Die.
So, it's feminine then.
Yes, and a good hint is that many adjectives ending in are often feminine in German. You can visualize a soft cloud hovering quietly to remember that.
That's a vivid image. What about common phrases where
Leise.
is used?
You might hear phrases like,
Leise reden.
for to speak quietly, or
Leise Musik hören.
meaning to listen to quiet music. It's more informal, so you can use it with friends or in informal settings.
Are there any similar words I should watch out for?
Yes, be careful with,
Faul.
which means lazy. They sound somewhat similar, but they are different in meaning.
That's helpful. Can you give me some full sentences with
Leise.
Sure. Here are a few.
Die Kinder spielen leise.
Meaning the children are playing quietly. Or,
Ich habe leise gesprochen.
which means I spoke quietly.
got it?
Also, you might say,
Kannst du bitte leiser sein?
meaning can you please be quieter?
I see how these work now.
Let's do a quick recall check. What does
Leise.
mean?
It means quiet or soft.
Correct. What is the feminine noun form?
Die Leise.
Right. How do you say I spoke quietly in the past?
Ich sprach leise.
Well done. Can you give me a sentence using
Leise Musik.
Die leise Musik ist schön.
excellent? One more. How would you ask someone to speak quietly?
Kannst du bitte leise sein?
Great job, Sam. Today we learned about
Leise.
its meanings, forms, and usage. Remember, it describes something gentle or quiet.
Thanks, Alex. I feel more confident using it now.
That's wonderful to hear. Keep practicing, and I look forward to our next lesson.